That's my first bike. And then I got a little one, XT125. Then I got my first real bike on the CRF 250X. I did some work on it, sprayed the rims, set it back up, worked all night. And there, the dog just had to come in that picture. All ready to go. Hey, where's my helmet? Oh, there it is. Hey, I even go to church on that stuff. And let's see the evolution of my wheelie skills. Oh, not bad. Just a little floaters right there. That one was a lousy try. Getting the hang of it. Oh, I just washed down. Brakes were a little bit slippery still. Yeah, that's me on the CRF, my current bike. Improving slowly, I should say quickly. Well, this is the best video I have, but I'm doing a lot better now. Soon you get your stoppies and your floaters coming up in the near future. Bye bye.